my parcel has been delivered. Let me check outside. I can see the parcel. Time for some unboxing. I guess you guys must be excited and eager to see my Dashain Ko Jutta and kasto rahecha bhanera. So let's get 3 weeks back before I do the unboxing. So 3 weeks back I was working from this desk and I got an email from Adidas saying that certain Yeezys 350 V2, they are on sale. Since Dashain is coming in a month, I thought let's give a try. Even if I'm not selected, I will be satisfied saying that I did try, and maybe I will try next time. I quickly opened my confirmed app and selected the shoe size and added the credit card information and just submitted it. So I just had to wait half an hour. In half an hour I got a confirmation email saying that my purchase has been selected and I will be receiving Yeezy very soon. And I was very excited, so I'll be talking less. So let's stop talking now. Let's do the unboxing. I guess you guys can see it is Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas, and it is ash pearl and my size is 10. So this is it, and the box looks very good. My other Yeezy Cloud White, I still have it in the box. I have wore at least 4 times. I usually don't wear. So let's open Yeezy. Wow. Let's check it out. Wow. This is Yeezy 350 V2 Ash Pearl, and it looks good. Adidas Yeezy is the collaboration between Adidas company and the American rapper, designer and the personality Kanye West. Yeezy Boost 350 was made available through a worldwide release on 2015. So let's talk about how you can purchase these Yeezys and know the release date. Adidas typically makes official Yeezy announcement 1 week or several days prior, or in some cases the same week of the release date. Most commonly, this announcement are made through Adidas Originals Twitter account, then via retailers. The Adidas Yeezy appear to be released via Adidas confirmed app and other retailers via raffle. But for that, register at Adidas in advance and do not wait for the last day or last minute. Registering is very simple. It just takes a couple of minutes. Simply register and then put your preferred size, and then you are in the raffle. It's time for cinematics, and let's roll the camera. The price for Yeezy is $220, and after tax it will be something around $223. So that's the price. And for those who unfortunately could not cope the Adidas Yeezy, I will say you still have one more chance. It's the reseller platform like GOAT, StockX and others, but they sell at a higher price. You have to pay double or triple the amount. Let's talk about the ash pearl color. It is tinged in a number of neutral earthy tones, and the upper bears a familiar tricolor that starts at the top of the lateral with beige notes, and immediately below the stripe tends a bit darker, and it's not quite as dark as the gray that happens to fill up the lower half. I'm super eager and excited to wear this Yeezy shoes, though it's not my first time, but I'm still super excited to wear this Dashain Ko Jutta. Though I can't wear on Dashain Ko Dinma, still I can wear the next day. The color, man, it looks so great. Before the pandemic, this Yeezy used to be available in selected stores across the globe, but after the pandemic, I don't think so one can get from the store. It's just online, so I can't wait to try this Yeezy out. So I'll give it a try now. Adidas Yeezy is one of the most comfy shoes, and those of you who wanted to purchase this Yeezy, keep on trying. I will say it's not easy to get this Yeezy unless and until you pay a higher amount, but I will say, like, keep on trying the confirmed app. If you don't make this time, try again, and you never know, your turn will come next. So good luck, keep trying. Dashain is just around the corner, and I would like to wish everyone joy and happiness during this festive season. Happy Dashain, and may you guys have a great time with your family and with your friends. This is one of the vlogs that I've never tried in my YouTube channel, and I guess you guys enjoyed the vlog and maybe liked it. And if I get a good response from this vlog, I'll try to bring similar kind of vlogs in days to come whenever it's possible. On that note, this is it for Dashain Ko Jutta vlog, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you really enjoyed the vlog, please hit the like button and also share with your friends and families. I hope to see you guys all in the next video. Until then, peace.